Did you hand him the purple marker? Hello! Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. So I was not planning on making a video today, but I got happy mail from a sweet yarny friend, so let's open it. Oh, there's like multiple packages or something. Oh my goodness. I need like a little tray or something. Okay. I'll use my pinfolio thing at the moment. Whole bunch of loose items in here. Okay. You're welcome to open on camera, but you don't have to. Hi, Shannon. Hope you are on the mend from the really bad stuff. I tried to send you a variety of yarn that I thought you could use with Ami. The Soho is from Hirschner's. I hope things are looking up. Just know I pray for you every day because chronic illness is so emotionally draining. On top of the physical, your yarny friend, Lori from Lori's Stories and Crochet. Thank you, Lori. Look at this cute little card. How adorable is that? And she filled it with stuff. So there are so many stickers. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got a burrito and a plant puppy and a plant lion and a giraffe plant. Lots of plants. More plants. Oh, is this supposed to be a corgi? Aw. This cute little spook kitty. Crochet is my cardio. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, cute. Crochet is love. A book with flowers. I turn string into things. What's your superpower? Oh, more flowers and books. Look at that. And a crochet hook. And then we have some stitch markers, which I'm guessing you made. Cute little kitty. A little cactus. And, ooh, a pretty butterfly. Look at that. Aww, and little flowers. Thank you. This is so sweet. You told me you were sending me a little package. This isn't little, dear. Not little. Ooh, all kinds of goodies in here. Okay. Let's just stick our hand in and see what we find. Himalaya toffee. Ooh, that'll be fun to experiment with. What can I tell you about it? Considered a 6 bulky, only because of the fuzz. Would not consider this a 6. 6.5 millimeter hook. The color is party. That's fun. Ooh, Mary Maxim Glimmer! The color is mustard. Always love my glitter yarn. Yay, thank you. Ooh, more glimmer. This one is lavender. Oh, I got 2 of those Himalaya ones. Soho Velvety Soft in the color Calm Coral. And yes, I recognize that this is from Hirschner's. Ooh, yay! Worsted Holiday Sparkle, also from Hirschner's, one of their Christmas sparkles. This is Hollyberry. Yay! And one more. Oh, sorry. 2 more. So this is Craft Smart Value. This is a Michaels brand. And the color is ginger. This is Just Yarn Eyelash. Ooh. Look at that. That'll be fun. In the color Silver. What to make, what to make. I don't know. Okay, let's see what's inside this. I wonder why they did it inside out. Oh, cute! So we have Mickey stickers. That'll be fun to put on my Disney Friends packages. And oh my gosh, how cute! They're corgi notebooks. Ah, that is so fun. Oh, and she gave me her snips. I have a whole scissor collection. Have you seen that video? But oh my goodness, thank you so much, Lori. This was so kind. This is so exciting. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. That is so sweet. I don't know what I'm gonna make, but this is the only one where I might actually have an idea because of something I'm already working on. Maybe, but everything else, I don't know, but I'll use it eventually. So thank you so much. I also got some happy mail from my friend Heather and her children. All of a sudden, I am Aunt Shannon to her 2 boys, and they draw me pictures all the time, and they send me little cards, and it's so sweet. It warms my heart. So I'm gonna show that to you guys because I just think this is the cutest thing. Now I have to cover up their names, but look, how cute. So apparently this is me and that's my yarn. So this is me with my yarn, apparently. How darling is that? Aww, thank you, boys. And then this one is her other son. And I'm gonna try and cover up anything that's personal. So, they're young. I'm wondering if he was inspired by you, Heather, since I know your favorite color is purple. Did you hand him the purple marker? So, thank you, boys. I love mail from you too. Your auntie loves you. They are absolutely darling. And I can't wait to show you guys what I'm making them for Christmas. Ah, it's so cute. Anyway, hi. Sorry to interrupt, but just a quick reminder, please hit the like button and share to anyone you think would like this video, but also leave a comment. Did you know that leaving a comment helps the algorithm so much? Likes are important, shares are important, but comments actually boost the algorithm and help our channels spread so that more people can see that we exist. So if you would please leave a comment, even if it's just hi or an emoji, or you have something to say about the video, or you have a question for me, please leave it in the comment section. I would be very appreciative. Oh, and if you're liking what you're seeing, maybe subscribe. We have all kinds of fun over here. So many different things happen on this channel. You never know. Okay, thank you for letting me interrupt. Now enjoy your video. I got some other happy mail. Haha! It's here! This is the Beetlejuice crochet kit. I have been waiting for this. I pre-ordered it. I think I found out about it in February or March. I knew it was coming. I'm one of those nerds who looks on Amazon and sees what's new in the crochet world so that, you know, I can see what I want to review and stuff. I've already made a video about unboxing this and everything, but I did want to show you guys that that video is coming very soon. So when I actually got this, I unboxed it and showed y'all what's inside and talked about it a little bit and talked about which patterns I'm super excited for. And I love it. Did you even know that this was coming out? Because I haven't even seen, you know, the spooky fiber channels that I follow. I haven't seen any of them talk about this. I don't think they knew. But I am so excited. It just so happens that the two I am most excited about making are on the lid. Miss Argentina and the Magician's Assistant. Two characters I absolutely love in the movie. Just yes. I'm excited because even if a billion people review this, I don't think anyone's going to be as excited as I am for two obscure characters. So lots of people may make Beetlejuice and Lydia and Barbara and Adam and even, what's his name? Bob, the shrunken head guy. So, but I don't think anyone is as excited as I am about the two ladies. So I'm so excited. I thought about being Miss Argentina for Halloween this year, but I got another idea and changed my mind immediately because I thought of a much cuter idea. So, but one day I will do Miss Argentina because, you know, I have the hair for it. Why not? Yeah, so I unboxed this and we'll get into it and everything. I don't know when I will show that video. Probably not next week. Maybe the week after. Yeah, maybe the week after. So this is like your little sneak peek for watching my Happy Mail video. So good for you. Yeah, I talked all about this. We looked inside. We looked at the patterns. But it's here. So excited. So happy I pre-ordered it. So yes, I know a couple of my friends that I told that this was coming out and I knew they were Tim Burton fans. They are waiting to see if Prime Day is going to lower the price. That starts on July 8th, by the way, if you didn't know, Amazon Prime Day. I don't think they will because it's brand new, but you never know. Next week, I have a video on Monday, and I think that's it. I think that's the only video I have next week because we're getting into 4th of July and I don't have anything prepared. So I just want y'all to have a lovely holiday. So go outside, go to cookouts, go watch fireworks, go have fun with family. Yeah, I don't really have anything prepared. So I'll have a video on Monday, but I think that's it. So Premier is having their huge summer sale. I think it's the biggest sale of the year that they ever have, even bigger than Black Friday. And I hope y'all take advantage of it. They fixed my link. I am now a Premier affiliate officially because my link was fixed. So if you even just click it to look around, just use my link to like just browse even, I get credit. So I would really appreciate it if you would use my link. It doesn't hurt you at all. It doesn't cost you extra at all. And if you just browse, it doesn't cost you anything. I get a little bit even if you just click on it. So it would just be really helpful. Thank you so much. So I hope you take advantage of the premiere sale, because seriously, it's gonna be amazing. I found out that 2 of my favorite yarns are on sale. So I know the 2 yarns that I am very excited about that are going to be on sale are the Chunky Glitz, especially that green. I need that green. I love that green. And the fruit. You can get a whole bunch of the, I think it's a pack of 3 of the fruit yarn for $8, which is huge. So I'm very excited. I have a plan to do something with that fruit yarn later this year. If it happens, great. If it doesn't, that's okay. I'll work on it for next year. But I want to at least have it, you know? I want to have the yarn with me. I also need the glitz yarn because I have some corgis that need some glitter. So I have a corgi set that I want to make and finish in 2025. This was the set that I wanted to do ever since like December of last year. This has been the set that I really, really, really want to make, and everything else just keeps getting in the way. And so I'm going to try really hard to like make 1 corgi a month. And I may not show you the set till it's done, but I do want to work really hard on finishing that set. If for nothing else, then for me, you know, I want to actually do something that I really want to do. I mean, yes, I want to do the Beetlejuice kit, but I review that for the channel, so it's not really a personal project. And I have been told by my friends that because my health isn't so great and is getting worse, I need to do more stuff that I want to do. So there might be a bit of a channel shift coming up. I mean, we're still crochet heavy over here, trust me. But I think I will do more Film Fridays, which has nothing to do with crochet, it's just my love of film. I think I will do some baking videos this fall. I have some wonderful recipes that maybe I'll share with y'all. I happen to think they're good. Just some other things. Anyway, thank you again to Lori for the lovely happy mail. You didn't have to do that. That's so sweet. I will link her channel down below. So you should go follow her. She's wonderful. She's so fun, and her cat is so cute. And thank you to Heather at Heather's Creative Corner for her boy's little sweet card. You should go follow Heather, especially if you love the Woobles. Woobles Queen. Whoa, yeah. Woobles and teacher gift baskets are, well, teacher and kid baskets are like her thing. So go follow Heather for that. Of course, always, Teresa is trying to get to 2,000. Please help my friend Teresa at Critters Crochet. She wants to get to 2,000 so badly, and she's so close, y'all. She's so close. So help her get to 2,000. Like and subscribe down below for her channel, for all their channels. And I will see you next time. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.